Hello future IITians, you are welcome to JEE Main Rapid Fire Quiz. These questions are JEE Advanced level and will seriously test your concept. Only top students can solve them. Pause the video and solve each question. I'm Samir and you are watching My Scholars. Our first question is from 3-dimensional geometry, maths. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन मैथ्स से है 3-dimensional geometry से. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है मैथ्स 3-dimensional geometry से. Let the image of the point P 1, 2, 3 in the line L x minus 6 upon 3 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3 be q. Let R is alpha, beta, gamma be a point that divides internally the line segment PQ in the ratio 1:3. Then the value of 22 alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to. ये 2022 में 28 जून को शिफ्ट सेकंड में पूछा गया है. 1 ऑप्शन ए 171, ऑप्शन बी 125, ऑप्शन सी 115, ऑप्शन डी 152. Your time start. Your time is over. I'm telling the answer to the toppers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct option is 125. I will solve it for you. How it is 125? इसको मैं solve करके बताता हूँ आपको. There is a diagram on the board. Let P is the point whose coordinates are 1, 2, 3 and R is the point whose coordinates are alpha, beta and gamma, and Q is the point whose coordinates are x, y, z, and Q is 2 lambda at 2 lambda distance from M, whereas R is 1 lambda distance and P is from R 1 lambda distance. So this way P is also at 2 lambda distance. Let x minus 6 upon 3, which is given here, is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3. Let x minus 6 upon 3 is equal to y minus 2 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3 is equal to lambda. So all the coordinates are, say it is, and M is the midpoint of PQ. M is the midpoint of this PQ. M is the midpoint of PQ. Therefore coordinates of midpoint M, coordinates of midpoint, this midpoint M, is coordinate of midpoint M is this. We have let lambda, so 3 lambda plus 6 x coordinate will be 3 lambda plus 6. 3 lambda plus 6. Similarly, y coordinate will be 2 lambda plus 2. 2 lambda plus 2. And z coordinate 3 lambda plus 2. 3 lambda plus 2. So therefore distance PM this minus 1 x coordinate is equal to 3 lambda plus 6 minus 1, which will be 3 lambda plus 5, and similarly 2 lambda plus 2 minus 2, so that will be 2 lambda, sorry, it was 2 lambda plus 1. It is by mistake we have written it is by minus 1. Y minus 1. So this will be 2 lambda plus 1. So this way 3 lambda plus 5 I cap, 3 lambda plus 5 I cap, plus for this 2 lambda minus 2, means that 1 minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1 j cap, plus 3 lambda plus 2 minus 3, so 3 lambda minus 1 k cap. Will be the PM. Here drs to the line L, here drs of normal to the line L is 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 3. Normal vector of the line L, normal vector to the line L. Normal vector of the line L of the line L. Three, 2, 3. Normal vector of the line L is 3 I cap 2 j cap and 3 k cap. 2 I cap plus 3 I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap. If PM is perpendicular to this 3I cap 2J cap 3K cap, therefore 3 into the value of R, this 3 lambda plus 5, 2 into 2 lambda minus 1, 3 into 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So by solving this all we can get, इस तरह से हम इसको जब पूरे को सॉल्व करेंगे तो लैम्डा हमें मिलेगा -5/11. Therefore m will be the coordinates 51/11, 1/11 and 7/11. Using this 5/11. Since R is the midpoint of PM, coordinate of R will be, since R is the midpoint of PM, coordinate of R is 31/11 and 23/11. So this way alpha is equal to 31/11. Comparing this with alpha, beta, gamma, beta is equal to 23/11 and gamma is equal to 20/11. Therefore 22 alpha plus beta plus gamma. Therefore 22 within bracket alpha plus beta plus gamma, that we have to find, plus gamma is equal to 31/11. First is 31. 31/11 plus 23/11 plus 20/11. That is equal to 22 within bracket it is 23/22, sorry, 23/22. So it will be 23/22. Taking LCM, (62 plus 23 plus 40), that is equal to 22 is cancelled with this 22, and this way 62 plus 23 plus 40 would become 125. Thus our answer is 125. This way 22 into alpha plus beta plus gamma is 125. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हमने लिया है केमिस्ट्री से, सम बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स इन केमिस्ट्री. If the concentration of glucose C6H12O6 in blood is 0.72 gram per liter, the molarity of glucose in blood is, ये 2021 में 22 जून को शिफ्ट सेकंड में पूछा गया है. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 and hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16 unit. These are given. Option A 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. Option B 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole. Option C 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. Option D 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. Your time starts. Your time is over. Correct option is 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. I will tell you how it is. First we shall calculate the molar mass of glucose and then molarity. So molar, for calculation of the molar mass of glucose. Molar mass of glucose C6H12O6. 12 is the atomic mass of carbon, which is multiplied with 6. There are 6 atoms of carbon, 12 into 6. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen, which was given, multiplied by 12. यहाँ पर 12 हाइड्रोजन है, हाइड्रोजन के 12 एटम हैं. और 1 atomic mass of oxygen is 16. यहाँ पर 6 है मॉलिक्यूल, so into 6 atoms हैं. So total will be 96 plus 12 plus 72. 72 plus वहाँ का कैलकुलेट कर दिया मैंने. 72 plus 12 plus 96, that is equal to total 180 ग्राम पर मोल. $180 per mole. Now molarity. Therefore molarity. Molarity M is equal to concentration of glucose upon concentration of glucose in blood upon molar mass of glucose. WB upon MB. That is equal to WB is 0.72 and MB is 180. On solving we shall get 0.004 mole, which is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole, which was our answer A. Our third question we have taken from physics. 4 idential particles of mass m are kept at 4 corners of a square. I will show you the diagram also, make the diagram also. If the gravitational force exerted one of the mass exerted on one of the mass by the other mass is 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 32 gm square upon L square. The length of the side of the square is, ये आया था 2024 में 31 जनवरी शिफ्ट 1 में 3L 2L 4L L upon 2. तो स्क्वायर की साइड पता करनी है. Your time starts. Your time is over. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am answering to the toppers. That is 4L. the length of the side of the square will be 4L. I will tell you how it is. This is diagram. These are the four masses at the four corners of a square with side x. This is force 1 in this direction, force 2 is in this direction, and force 3 is here. So this way, let the side of a square be x. Let the side of a square be x. Gravitational force on any of mass due to other three masses is. Gravitational force on any of mass due to other three masses is this 1, 2, 3. So they will F is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3. That is equal to, substituting the values of F1, that is square root 2 into G, gravitational constant, m square upon x square plus G m square upon square root 2 x square. This will be square root 2 x square, which is diagonally this. On solving it, taking G m square upon x square common out of these two, here will be root 2 upon 1 and there will be 1 upon 2, since root 2 square is 2. That will be equal to G m square upon x square, solving these two, 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2. This force is given F is equal to 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 32 into G m square upon L square. So 1 upon x square into 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 32. This whole is cancelled with this whole. So this way, 1 upon x square into 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 32. L square. Or we can say 2x square is equal to 32 L square. X square is equal to 16 L square. Therefore, x is equal to 4 L. This way our answer is 4. Our question number 4 is from chemistry. Alcohols, phenols and ethers. The major product of the following reaction is. ये क्वेश्चन 2019 में 8 अप्रैल को शिफ्ट 1 में पूछा गया था. So the major product of this reaction we have to tell. In this, concentrated HBr is taken in excess and heat. Your time starts. Your time is over. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am telling the answer to the toppers. Option B is correct. As concentrated HBr is in excess, so the reaction will take place at both the substituents. दोनों substituents में reaction होगी क्योंकि HBr excess में है. Our fourth question is from physics laws of motion on a curved road. A car is moving on a horizontal curved road with radius 50 meter. Radius of the road is 50 meter. The approximate maximum speed of the car will be, if fraction between tire and road is 0.34, फ्रैक्शन रोड और कार के बीच में 0.34 है और कर्वेचर, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज 50 मीटर. Options. This has been part of 2023 29 June shift 1. Options are 17 meter per second, 3.4 meter per second, C 13 meter per second, D 22.4 meter per second. Your time start. Your time is up. 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct option is 13 meter per second. The safe speed of the car over the horizontal turn is 13 meter per second. I will tell you how it is. Maximum safe speed of car over a horizontal turn is V maximum is equal to square root mu rg. Here r is the radius, which is 50 meter, and mu is fraction, which is 0.34, and g is gravitational acceleration, which is 10 meter per second square. Now substituting the values in the equation. So V maximum, velocity maximum, square root 50 into 0.34 into 10, which is equal to 170. Square root 170. That will be approximate equal to 13 meter per second. Square root 170 is equal to approximate 13 meter per second. How many correct out of 5? Comment your score below. 5 after 5 is JEE topper mindset. 3 or less, don't worry, next level is coming soon. Subscribe now and become unstoppable. Make it viral. If you want more JEE killer questions, hit subscribe and test your brain daily. Thank you for watching my scholars.